Good morning. We are going to discuss the topic class cyclostomata. Cyclostomata. Cyclo means circle, stomata means mouth. The circle mouth of the fishes, that is lamprey and hagfishes. Okay, this group of organisms we will discuss now. Cyclo means circle and stomata means what mouth. So circle mouth presence in living such kinds of living organisms. We are termed as lamprey and hagfish. So all the members of this group having the primitive internal skeleton and primitive development. Okay, and phyclothermic kind of organisms. So what does mean by phyclothermic? Thermic means cold and warm. Okay, and phyclo means its word is derived by the Greek word is varied. So whether it is cold or warm conditions, they can able to survive. Okay, this is the meaning of phyclothermic kind of organisms. And jobless aquatic vertebrates, okay, and or ectoparasites on some fishes. Ectoparasites means what? Ecto means outside and parasite means the parasites that lives on the skin or in the skin but not within the body. Okay, in depend upon the another organisms. This is called a ectoparasites. And body is a slender body, elongated body you see, and eel like fish, bearing how many pairs of gills? 6 to 15 pair of the gill slits for using their respiration, and mouth is you have to see circular mouth and without a jaw and suctorial habitat. When the filtering of the food particles into the water, chucking, okay, imbibing or adhering into the engulf into the body. And heart is actually two chambered heart. Circulation is of closed type. Closed type all the blood vessels present in their body and heart also present in their body. No paired appendages means pectoral fin, pelvic fin absent in their body. Another characteristics cranium and vertebral column are made up of cartilaginous. Cranium means what skull region. Vertebral column it's a backbone. It's a primitive internal skeleton. Backbone presence made up of cartilaginous type. Okay, cartilaginous bones. Cyclostomes are marine water maximum, but migrate when the spawning time migrate into the fresh water. Actually, they can live in survive in a ocean water. When the spawning time means breeding time, it can move to from the fresh water to the ocean water. This process called anadromous migration. Okay, for example, salmon fish is given. Okay, so when the spawning time after get the adult stage, the spawning time, breeding time, they can lay down the eggs into the water in the fresh water. Okay, the fresh water they can live 3 to 16 months. Okay, for example, alevin and get the development paw, smooths. So these are all the examples like that. You have to understand the migration. Okay, from one place to another places they can live some time. Okay, for the breeding, for the development, for the laid of the eggs into the water. Have you clear? Okay. The process, okay, the anadromous means what the process of releasing eggs, okay, into the fresh water. Okay, next we have to discuss some are them after spawning within a few days they die. What is the reason? Because after the spawning into the fresh water they can move from fresh water into the their habitat, ocean water, marine water. Listen it. So most of them they can stop eating when they return to the fresh water. So they have no energy left for a return trip to the ocean after spawning. This is the reason only most of them they die after the spawning. Okay. Next we move to discuss about the anadromous migration. After spawning within a few days they can die. Listen it. Chair. The larvae kind of amoebocyte. Amoebocyte means freely swimming, freely movement like that of amoebocytes. Okay. After metamorphosis return to the ocean. After metamorphosis means changes, development. Okay, so what does mean? It's a biological process by which an animal physically develops after the birth, after the hatching. Okay, so metamorphosis means it's involving conspicuous and relatively abrupt change in the animals. Their body temperature is through the cell growth and differentiation. This process is called metamorphosis. Okay, வளர்ச்சி. ஸோ அதோட வளர்ச்சி அடையும் போது எங்கே வந்துடுது, ரிட்டர்ன் டு த ஓசின், அதோட மரைன் ஹேபிடேட்டுக்கு திரும்ப வந்துடுது. சரியாப்பா? சரி, எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் பெட்ரோமைசின், லாம்ப்ரே இஸ் given, this is lamprey, and mixin hagfish, this one. ஓகேவா? and this is the examples given in the class of cyclostomata. Thank you.